Hi, this is Griffin with Wasteland Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Mainstays Farmhouse side table. This is their rustic weathered oak finish, and it can be found on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels or pieces were damaged while shipping, and you also want to make sure you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can call the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If all is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, you're going to want to take your A panel and 4 wood dowel pieces. You'll notice that there are pre-drilled holes on the 4 outer edges of these slanted little pieces. So you want to insert a wood dowel into each of these pre-drilled holes. In step 2, you're going to want to grab your 2 C panels, 4 bolts, and 4 washers. You can start by grabbing one of your C panels. Then you'll want to slide. There's 2 pre-drilled holes on it. Those wood dowel pieces that you put into your A panel, you want to slide those into the C panel. Okay, once you have them slid in there, then you can grab a screw bolt and a washer, feed it through, then by hand you can get it started, and to tighten you can use your Allen wrench. Don't tighten it all the way down until you have both sides locked into place. Once you do that, you can then repeat this with your other C panel. Again, you want to line it so that the pre-drilled holes are facing in, allowing those wood dowel pieces to slide in. In step 3, you're going to want to grab your B panel. So notice on your A panel, currently I have mine so that the planks, you can kind of see the planks are going this way. This is kind of personal preference, but I want to align them so that they match up. So I'm going to make sure I insert this B panel on so that the planks line up. So I'm going to slide it on like this. Then once you slide it on, you're going to take 4 more screw bolts and 4 more washers and simply just do what you did on the last step, hand tighten, and then screw in with the Allen wrench. In step 4, you're going to want to grab your 4 floor pads. Simply remove the back part and attach it to each bottom peg. Now, once you have those floor protectors on, you can then flip it over, and there we have it, your complete unit.